What's up YouTube, it's the Gizmo Pro here. Today's video we are going to discuss everything you need to know about Apple iOS 18. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified about all new videos. Apple's iOS 18, slated to be the flagship iPhone software update for 2024, is poised to introduce a long list of transformative changes. Described as ambitious and compelling, this update promises significant new features and design modifications. Here's a summary of what we currently know about the exciting developments expected in iOS 18. Development pause for bug fixes. In November, Bloomberg reported that, in an unusual move, Apple paused new feature development for iOS 18 for a week. This break followed the completion of the first milestone build of iOS 18, allowing the company time to iron out early bugs and problems to create a stable foundation for further development. Despite this delay, it is unlikely to substantially impact the release of new features or the timeline for iOS 18. So when will iOS 18 be released? iOS 18 is expected to be unveiled at WWDC, which is the Worldwide Developers Conference 2024, likely occurring in the first or second week of June. Subsequently, it will be released to developers for beta testing, with a public beta anticipated in July of 2024. The general public can expect the official release in September. Let's talk about major new iOS 18 AI features. Responding to the surge in AI tools like ChatGPT, Google Bard, and Microsoft Copilot, Apple is gearing up to integrate advanced artificial intelligence features into iOS 18. In October, Bloomberg's Mark Gurman gave an in-depth rundown on some of Apple's goals for AI in iOS 18. The report outlined that, and I quote, "There's an edict within Apple and Craig Federighi's software team to fill iOS 18 with features running on the company's large language model. Key highlights include a revamped Siri, leveraging a new AI system with large language model technology, AI integration in the Messages app for handling questions and auto-completing sentences, new AI features in Apple Music facilitating the creation of auto-generated playlists, and integration of generative AI into iWork apps, Keynote and Pages, and Xcode to expedite application development. Apple aims to infuse iOS 18 with an array of AI features, although not all may be finalized for the initial release. 9to5Mac found evidence of Apple's work on new AI and large language model technology in iOS 17.4. It has been reported that Apple is relying on OpenAI's ChatGPT API for internal testing to help the development of its own AI models. Regarding iOS 17.4, Apple continues work on AI-powered Siri and Messages features with help from ChatGPT RCS Support. Speaking of which, Apple surprised users with the announcement of RCS support coming to iPhones in 2024. RCS, or Rich Communication Services, which is a successor to SMS and MMS, promises iMessage-style features for text between iPhone and Android users. This includes read receipts, typing indicators, high-quality image and video sharing within text threads between iPhone and Android devices. It will also give users the ability to share their location with other people inside text threads. Unlike regular SMS, RCS can work over mobile data or Wi-Fi as well. Apple's specific wording is that RCS will be available on iPhone later next year via a software update, suggesting it might be part of the update. Bloomberg describes iOS 18 as Apple's most ambitious and compelling update in years. Internally referred to by Apple as potentially the biggest iOS update ever, it reportedly encompasses groundbreaking features, design enhancements, and improvements in security and performance. There is reportedly a lot more in the works for the update than just the aforementioned new AI features. While major AI features align with the ambitious description of iOS 18, additional details remain elusive. Apple's plans might change between now and next June. Over the next several months, Apple will finalize its plans for iOS 18 based on development progress. Features could be announced at WWDC 2024, but released in subsequent updates like iOS 18.1 and iOS 18.2. As anticipation builds for iOS 18, the question remains, what features are you hoping to see? And can Apple successfully catch up with other companies in the realm of new AI capabilities? Share your thoughts in the comments. Well, folks, if you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, thanks for continuing to support my channel, and stay tuned for more. See you next time. Peace.